Bonjour, bienvenue à tous en classe. This is French class with Rosalind Adams. I'm so glad to have you all back in class. Today, I'll be teaching you the definite articles in French. It's important to know that articles are considered to be determinants. Articles defines nouns. They help us to know if a noun is specified or not specified. And today we'll be looking at the definite articles in French, unlike in English where we have just one form of the definite article. In French, we have four forms of the definite article. Les articles définis. Les articles définis. We have four forms, quatre forms. Okay. We have le. Le is the definite article used before masculine nouns. And it's also important to know that French words are gender inclined. That is, there are words considered to be masculine and words considered to be feminine. So we use lo before a masculine noun. The next one is la. La. La is the definite article that is used before the feminine nouns. La is used before feminine nouns. We have L apostrophe. L apostrophe is used before nouns that starts with a vowel or a noun that starts with a silent H. And then the last one, the fourth one, is les. L-E-S. Les is used before a masculine or a feminine plural noun. A masculine or a feminine plural noun. Okay, let's look at some examples. Lo, for example, just like I said, is used before a masculine noun. For example, le garçon. Le garçon, that is the boy, is a masculine noun, and le has to go with it. Le garçon. Le fils. Le fils. Le livre. Le livre. And so many other examples. Let's take the example of la. La maison, the house. La fille, the girl. La mère, the mother. La voiture, the car. And so many other examples. Let's take the example of L apostrophe. Les lèvres, the pupil. Les lèvres, pardon, the pupil. L'avion, the plane. L'ananas, the pineapple. Examples of L apostrophe before silent H. L'hôpital, l'homme, and so many other examples. So let's go to the last form of the definite article, les, which is used before masculine or feminine plural nouns. For example, les filles, les maisons, les voitures, les hôpitaux, les hommes, and so many other examples. I will also be leaving some examples in the description box. Ensure to check them out. And this is where I'll be calling it a day on today's lesson. Endeavor to practice what I've taught you today in class. Like I used to say, practice makes perfect. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's the only way you can encourage me to do more. Please like and share with your friends. Till next time when I'll be coming your way again with another amazing topic. It's au revoir from me. Bye.